This is Tim from Your Tech Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock messages on your Android phone. So let's go on over to Google Messages right here and locate the message you want to go ahead and block. So I already have this person blocked. You can see I can unblock them at any point in time. If I go to the top right on their name, I should be able to unblock them or block them. So let's go ahead and just do that right now, and this will go away. Now I can go to the top right, block and report spam. Let's uncheck mark report spam and just go to block. So you'll see their number is blocked on the top, and we can unblock them at any point in time. So sometimes you're not able to see that, so what you want to do is back out, and this is going to be located under the profile. Let's go to the profile, go to spam and blocked right here. Now just hit their name, you can see them under here. Go to the top right and unblock. So they are unblocked under messages. Now this could also be a number, so what we want to do is just go back to spam blocked, tap that and go to block numbers, and if we do have any blocked numbers, they should appear under the screen. We can just tap the little minus symbol next to them and it will unblock them. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.